This is the tutorial for the user administration. The user administration can be found under Options, General Settings, User Administration. Here you can see the user admin Graw. This is equipped with all rights and can thus assign and manage the rights for other users. To create a new user, click on the plus sign in the lower part of the window. Here you can now specify the username, first and last name, email address, the telephone number and password for the user. The fields marked with an asterisk are mandatory, the others are optional. Confirm the entries with OK. The new entry now appears in the user list. Here you can define all functions and setting privileges the user should have. If you want the user to be able to create or edit other users, check the box User Administration. Close the mask with OK. To log in the new user, return to the home screen. The login icon can be found in the upper right corner. Enter your username and password. If you want the user to be logged in again automatically after a restart, then check Keep Me Signed In. The successful login message appears at the bottom on the right. This was the tutorial about the user administration.